Good afternoon. My name is Alena Shautsova. I am an immigration attorney from Brooklyn, New York. In today's Legally Speaking seminar, I would like to speak to you about emergency relief from deportation or removal. People contact me with this issue usually when they have an order of supervision and unexpectedly they were reached out and told that they would need to buy a ticket and be prepared for a removal, physical removal from the United States. Or sometimes somebody who was on order of supervision would be unexpectedly picked up by ICE, and their family members, the person's family members, would reach out to me saying, what we can do to stop it. Well, first of all, you should know that an order of supervision usually is given when the person had and should have, but it might have been expired, an administrative stay of removal. So an administrative stay of removal usually is an underlying document that provides a person with an opportunity to receive an order of supervision. Administrative stay of removal is granted by ICE. If that document is expired, then the offices have full authority to physically remove somebody from the United States. Also, an order of supervision is usually given when the person states that he or she is going to fix the immigration status, maybe file for an appeal or petition for review, and sometimes a lawyer neglects to put a stay on removal, and as a result, the ICE officers have full opportunity to remove the person physically. So what do you do in this situation? Well, first of all, you need to refile or try to refile an administrative stay of removal. If you absolutely do not have time, there is an opportunity for an emergency stay that you may request, either with an immigration judge who has a jurisdiction over the case or with the Board of Immigration Appeals, if the last place where the case was heard was the Board of Immigration Appeals. So there is an emergency contact number that you may call at the Board of Immigration Appeals, with the Board of Immigration Appeals, and the person on the phone will explain to you the procedure. But if it's an emergency stay, the petitions, such petitions are usually given priority and they will be heard right away. What do you need to prepare to argue in cases like that? Well, number one, you need to prepare to argue why the person should in fact not be immediately removed. Person's family ties with the United States, different hardships to the person and to the family members that he or she might have in the United States. A possibility of relief for the person. Let's say a previous attorney made a mistake and did not explore certain forms of relief that could have been available to the person. Or let's say now the person has certain forms of relief that became available to the person, such as U visa, family petition, maybe something else. You need to present records of that. Try to obtain records of medical hardship, financial hardship, maybe country conditions, affidavits in support, and things like that. I would advise that if the situation occurred that the person is in fact threatened with immediate removal, you hire an immigration attorney who will be willing to help. In most cases, as I said, there was a mistake. If the person really does not deserve deportation, there was a mistake, and it's possible at least to get yourself a little bit more time, or to get for the person a little bit more time to demonstrate to the government that the person deserves to stay in the United States. I hope this video is helpful. Also, please visit my website. I publish articles on how to stop the emergency, how to apply for the emergency relief from deportation, and take care of your family. And I hope that little video, as I said, was helpful in keeping the families together. You can find more information about this at www.shautsova.com. Thank you.